Your first entry is going to be on solving multi-step equations. You'll be using a properties of real numbers paper for your notes. We'll use these properties when solving equations. We're going to talk about properties of equality. So when you have an equation, it means that one side is equal to the other. The left side is equal to the right, and they're separated by an equal sign. There are certain properties we can use to manipulate the equation to get it look the way we want it. We want it to be a variable that equals some number, x is by itself. We need properties to make this happen. Addition property of equality. The example states that a is equal to b, just as 4 equals 4. So a plus c equals b plus c, just like 4 plus 3 equals 4 plus 3. Then an example algebraically is x minus 3 equals 2. If I cancel out the 3 by adding it to both sides, the equation is still balanced. That means x equals 5. Subtraction works the same way, because 4 minus 3 still equals 4 minus 3. It ain't gonna change. But, is it true for multiplication and division? Let's go back to the numbers. If a equals b once again, then a times c is the same as b times c. It works with division as well. The only trick is that c can't be 0, because it can just divide by 0. It's not possible. Just ain't. Is it going?
Mm-hmm.
Take a piece of printer paper and fold it in half the shorter way. Open it back up and fold the edges into the middle like so. Folding paper. So then, fold it in half like this again. Then open it back up and cut right here. So then you have 4 little window things. Apparently they look like pants. So, yeah. Now you have 4 problems. But what you do is you write, like, number 1 on there, and then you do the problem in here, and then write how you did the problem. Which will be stated coming soon. The base idea is that if you do one thing to the left side of the equal sign, you have to do the same thing to the right side because it needs to be balanced out. It must stay equal. 5 equals 5x minus 23 plus 2x. We're solving for x, but notice that there's 2 x's. There's 5x and 2x. It's hard to solve for something if you have it in 2 different places. So we want to combine like terms. I can combine 5x and 2x, and when I do that, I get 5 equals 7x minus 23. However, I just need x. I need to start moving these over to the other side of the equation. But remember to work from outside in, so you get rid of the negative 23 first. The 23 is farthest away from x. Add 23 to both sides. 23 is cancelled out. Then, 5 plus 23 is 28. I'm going to divide both sides by 7 as well, and 7 over 7 cancels out, and 28 divided by 7 is 4. There's your solution. 4 equals x. Sarah, out, I guess.